风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係美嘉。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。我们这个月都在讲天气。那如果不是晴天，不是雨天，那很可能就是
阴天，灰灰的。
It's just a cloudy day. How do you say 阴天？
烏炎田。
烏炎田 Okay, cloudy day. Let's make some sentences, including this one. 阴天，云层很厚，看不到日出。The clouds are dense, so I can't see the sunrise.
烏炎田，運動多。
烏炎田，運動多。
看唔到日出。
看唔到日出。Okay, 看不到日出。日出 That means sunrise. You can't see that. You can't even see the sun, after it rises too. How about let's make another sentence? 阴天有风，在户外运动超舒服的，这真的哈。There are some winds when it's cloudy outside, and it's a good day to exercise.
烏炎田有氣風。
烏炎田有氣風。
第我杯運通。
第我杯運通。
一鬆鬆。
一鬆鬆。Okay, 就是很
舒服
Okay, 涼爽 All right, that means it's so chill and comfortable to be outside exercising, for instance. Very good. These are very useful lines, but let's review some of the vocabulary we brought up that might be useful, like 雲 cloud,
雲
and then 起風，對不對？就是有點風 There's a bit of wind.
氣風
and it's comfortable.
鬆鬆
就是很舒服 And finally, it's a cloudy day. 陰天
烏炎田
And there you have it, learning all about the terminologies about the weather in Hakka, whether it's a sunny day, rainy day, or cloudy day. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家
安子 say
張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.